Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Putra Intifada. I'm from Indonesia, and for this moment, I will share my research about the effect of service quality to customer loyalty with brand trust at Gojek. For this research, I write with my partner Narita Sharweni, and this is especially will show in the International Conference on Advanced in Science and Engineering, or ICESE 2022 in India. So I will be thank you for the people who organized the conference. Okay, for the first, I will explain about the background from this research. Okay, we know that online transportation is a lifestyle for citizen, and yet the online transportation become a part of lifestyle. Mostly citizen has an online transportation application in their mobile phone because online transportation is more effective and efficient for help their activities, especially for this mobilization. And I think this is a part of the disruption era. The people mostly choose the online transportation because this online transportation is more simple, cheaper, accessible, and maybe more faster than they use their own transportation. This is this is suitable with research by Yayasan Lembaga Konsumen Indonesia. The show 84.1% people choose online transportation. Okay, and based on research from Comscore, say the market online transportation in Indonesia leads by three platforms. The first is Grab, who has the 33% of market share, and Uber have 88% market share, and Gojek as a leader has a 56% market share. Yeah, Gojek is a leader online transportation in Indonesia. Okay, so we need to knowing the detail of Gojek, yeah. Okay, today Gojek is the local platform in Indonesia, and today downloaded more than 40 million and more than 15 million users, and have 100 billion transaction per month. This is data show the Gojek customer repurchase as a form of loyalty by customer is so high. Okay, but in other side, we know that the growth of the Gojek have a threat in the market. We know the first is cybercrime. We know the safety and convenience of online-based transportation is the most prioritized thing by customer to form brand trust in the company. Threats and attack made to Gojek driver will make the public as customer worry about using it. Yes, we know so many threats of Gojek. The first is about the cybercrime. We know we share our data to this platform, so we can control this data use for the web gitu from the Gojek. Okay, and the second threat is traffic accident. We know the driver have an opportunity to has a traffic accident in the area. So, and we know the clash. Okay, as a new platform in online transportation in Indonesia, Gojek has a clash with the conventional driver. Okay, so that's the all threats of Gojek is not provide guarantees of security and comfort as well as service quality that is in line with expectation. Customer will be disappointed and will not use Gojek anymore. Okay, for specifically this research, I will share about the keyword in this research. The first is about quality of service, the second in brand trust, and the third is customer loyalty. Okay, quality of service is something that every company must have it. According to Irnanda, service quality is defined as the company defined as the company ability to meet the internal external needs of customer continuously in accordance with procedure. Service quality can also be interpreted as a comparison of customer expectation on perception of service company performance. And then about the quality of service, about customer loyalty, we know literally loyalty is an objective of company. Meanwhile, customer loyalty is defined as the consistency or repeated purchase periodically and continuously over a long period of time due to consumer interest in product or brand. And the last about the brand trust is a fundamental for customer to make purchases of product or service. Brand trust also defining about trusting the customer desire to rely on a brand with the risk face because the expectation of the brand will lead to positive result. Okay. Okay. And this is the objective from the research. Okay, this is research to have a fourth hypothesis. The first is there is a direct influence of the quality of service on brand trust in Gojek customer. And the second is there is a direct influence of brand trust on Gojek customer loyalty. And the third is there is a direct influence of quality of service on Gojek customer loyalty. And the last is there is a direct influence of brand trust mediate the effect quality of service on Gojek customer loyalty. Okay, about the method research, this is research use the explanatory research. Yes, this is just to research objective to examine the causal relationship between variables that explain a certain phenomenon as well as hypotheses that have been prepared by on previous research. This research uses quantitative methods for surveys and collect data by distributing questionnaires. Okay, and the location of the research in Malang Town Square in Indonesia. Okay, and this is have 120 visitor of Malang Town Square as a sample for this research. Okay. Okay. The data analysis technique used in this research is use mediation, regression, and analysis. Okay, this is this study. The research explain the relationship of service quality. We have three variable. The first is quality of service as a independent variable, and loyalty customer as a dependent variable, and the brand trust as a mediate variable. Okay, for this analyze, we have before we doing doing the analysis with mediation regression, the instrument from these questionnaires as a instrument, we test, and we has a normality test, multicollinearity test, also heteroscedasticity test, and all tests meet the prerequisites. Okay, and for the first, this is the t-test for testing influence of quality of service toward brand trust. Okay, this is the formula degree of freedom. N mean K mean 1, N means number of sample, and K means number of variable independent, and 1 is constanza. So the result is 118. Okay, and we know that the table in 1.98027. Okay, we use SPSS program, and when we fulfill the information of data, we know this is the result. Okay. Okay, we know the independent variable service quality to dependent variable brand trust has the result T count is 16.435, and the table is blah blah blah, and this is T count. This is show the T count more bigger than the table, and this is showing the first hypothesis is accepted. They show that service quality have influence to brand trust. Okay, the second t-test is for testing influence of quality of service and brand trust toward loyalty customer. Okay, for the t-test, we have a 2 variable independent, quality of service and brand trust as a variable independent for loyalty customer. Okay, we know the N mean K mean 1 for search the degree of formula, and the result is 117. Okay, so the first we will knowing about the quality of server to customer loyalty, and showing the T count or T hitung is more bigger than T table, and this is show the second hypothesis is accepted, means quality of service have influence to customer loyalty. And for the third hypothesis about the brand trust to customer loyalty, showing that the count more bigger than the table, and this is the third hypothesis is accepted, showing the brand trust have influence to customer loyalty. Okay, so this is the third testing. This is test. We test mediating test. We use the Sobel test for the testing the indirect effect of quality of service on customer loyalty through brand trust. Okay, this is the scheme. Okay, so we knowing the quality of service have a relation to loyalty customer through brand trust. Okay, as a Sobel test, we know we need to knowing about the unstandardized the relation, and this is picturing by A, and as A is a standard error. Okay, and this is we know this data that we get from the SPSS program. And all of this data we filling to this program of Sobel test, and this is the result. And we know the requirement if this fourth hypothesis will accepted when p value smaller than 0.05, and this is we knowing the p-value is more smaller than 0.05. So from this result, we knowing that service quality affect customer loyalty through brand trust as a mediating variable. Okay. Okay. So next, we will for the next we will more explain in discussion about this research. The first is how the influence of service quality on brand trust. The company ability to serve customer will be one of the company stimulate to believe in the company's brand. The completeness of the company facilities will stimulate customer to believe in the company. Likely with the quality of supporting technology used by the company. The easier it is for customer to use the company's support technology, the more customer will feel helped by the company service. This indicates that if Gojek provide good facilities to their customers, such as the provision of proper helm, proper and comfortable Gojek driver motorbikes, as well as the Gojek application that it easy to use by customer, it will make customer believe in Gojek. And I think security is the one of the things that are prioritized by customer in using online transportation. The completeness of driving legal documents such as a vehicle registration and the driver license will make customer feel safe being served by a competent driver. Likely, the official identity of the Gojek driver membership with the Gojek membership card and the identity in the form of driver jacket and Gojek helm will also influence customer to put their trust in Gojek. And we know that trust is one result of interaction process that exists in relationship, likely with the relation between Gojek and its customer. The polite attitude shown by Gojek driver through interaction, they are not excessive when serving their customer will affect the customer comfort towards Gojek. Okay, and likely the decision of the Gojek driver to cancel customer order will surely make the customer disappointed and will lower their trust in Gojek. Okay, so this is the short discussion about the influence of service quality on brand trust. And the second, how about the influence of brand trust on customer loyalty? Okay, we know the customer who are loyal to a company are based on a sense of trust the company can fulfill their needs and desire of their customer. So the fulfillment of needs and desire they are successfully provided by the company will make customer no longer need to look for other company. Gojek as one of the online transportation companies in Indonesia, if it is able to provide transportation services as needed and expected by customer will make customer no longer influence to use the service of other similar companies. Okay, and a customer who believe in a company means that the customer has relied his hope on the company. If the company cannot meet this expectation, then the company has disappointed customer. Likely with Gojek customer will be disappointed if Gojek cannot fulfill what is expected by its customer, both a term of facility and emotional satisfaction. Okay, and the third, we know we will discuss about the influence, how the influence of service quality on customer loyalty. Okay, the company's ability to serve the company based on its function will encourage the emergence of stimulant that affect customer to be loyal to the company. Physical evidence of the company is the easiest thing for a customer to identify to get basic information about the company. Companies that have the ability to show attractive physical evidence will make customer easily create a positive perception as a form of information obtained. If this information is accordance with the customer expectation, then the information will be shared with others. This shows that if Gojek can represent good quality on the company's physical evidence, such as the condition of the Gojek driver motorbike, the condition of the help provided, or the easiness of the Gojek application, it will be stimulated to spread positive information to those around him. Companies with good capabilities and can demonstrate quality in serving their customer will add to the customer's good experience in interacting with the company. Okay. Okay, and then the last we are discuss about the influence of service quality on customer loyalty with brand trust as a mediation variable. Okay, we know the service quality is something that is received by customer as a result of interaction with the company and its customer. Likely with Gojek, the facilities provided by Gojek such as design help and motorbike as well as the easy-to-use Gojek application are part of the service that Gojek provides its customer. In addition, the company attitude for the customer is also part of the company service. We know it, such as Gojek speed in responding to customer, Gojek and the driver of Gojek never canceling customer order, and about the tariff is a suitable or adjustment between application and the payment and the direct payment. This is the parts of the how the customer will be trust with this company. Okay, and if Gojek can provide quality service in accordance with this wishes of need its customer, there'll be a willingness of customer to rely on Gojek, and this is showing that Gojek have to maintain to be able to provide a good experience like this to customer. Customer will no longer look for other similar companies to fulfill their wants and needs. Customer will continue to use Gojek regularly, and this is showing how the loyalty will be formed when the customer trusting with this brand, and trusting will be formed when the company can provide the good quality of service. Okay, the conclusion for this research is we are back from the first hypothesis. Okay. So sorry, we have trouble about connection. So I will continue my presentation. Okay, we have and this is the conclusion about the research. Back to the first hypothesis, we knowing that service quality has a positive and significant effect on Gojek brand trust. This indicates that the company's ability to provide the good quality service to customer that will be reflection of the customer to give Gojek a sense of trust. Okay, and the second hypothesis show that brand trust has a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty. If Gojek can provide needs and desire of their customer, it will stimulate customer to be loyal to Gojek. Okay, and the third hypothesis show the service quality has a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty. All of Gojek's capabilities in serving its customer in various forms of interaction, both direct and indirect, will encourage customer to be loyal to Gojek. And the last hypothesis show the service quality of effect customer loyalty through brand trust as a mediating variable. This indicates that good service quality can increase Gojek brand trust, and this will have implication for increasing customer loyal to Gojek as well. So this is the my research, and I have this is the reference. Okay, you can know about this reference, and this is the authors. This is me, Putri Tifadatul Ulya, was born in Kediri and has a Faculty of Economic in University of Muhammadiyah Malang, and this is my partner, Dr. Narulita Syarweni. She is a lecturer. You can read this biography. Okay, I think enough for this for my presentation for ICESE. So thank you for the opportunity, and hopefully the research is have a impact for others. So thank you. Goodbye.
Drama lagi. Baba tuh mau naikin, gimana caranya?
Terus ini gimana caranya? Langsung tutup. Stop.